Hello everyone, this is my little website that I made for trash food lures on how to make homemade lures. I like to keep everything pretty simple, so this is pretty basic the way I made it. And you can scroll down here, it says hello and welcome. I also have a little side snippet here of me making a handmade lure. Just scroll down here a little bit. And just gives you a little layout on certain things about it. And if you scroll back up, I have these different little tabs you can click on. That'll help you see types of lures and what are they. Click on that. You can scroll down. And it gives you some basics of different types of lures and what some of them can do. Different actions, crankbaits, topwater spinnerbaits, cigar. Let's go to what is your plan. Your first step, projects, finding a good place of what you want to make and where you want to make it. Just simple little tabs of questions a lot of people wonder about and what can be used to make lures. You always have different types of materials, which I've put here, just the basic lines of metal. You can use metal, plastic, wood, and certain types that are used, certain ways that they've been used for different homemade lures. And then hook type options. You got different hook type options here on this page. You got people have used nails, wires, wood, and bone for different setups, as you see for even some of the more primitive styles. For homemade. And you got different types. Here's the different types of homemade lures I have. You can see there's different varieties of even made out of different garbage and reused materials. All kinds of different things. Like there's a penny and some wood. And that's my website. It just keeps it simple. It just shows you how to make a fishing lure.